How to fix Facebook bug. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly in the open apps option. Here as you see, we'll find all the applications that you have already on your phone. Search only for Facebook. Open Facebook like this and go to storage option. Here on storage option, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you another